Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the CPU throttling test in the Realme GT Neo 5 on the day 1 after unboxing. So this is a day 1 of using the Realme GT Neo 5 and I did upload the Geek benchmark scores and a benchmark test, and now it's time to do the CPU throttling test in the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor in the Realme GT Neo 5 device. So I'll try to use this kind of settings. These are the 100 threads and 15 minutes of time. I'll try to do the throttling test and we'll try to find out what will be the overall temperatures and how will be the overall. And I'm not using any kind of GT mode while performing the test, so no GT mode is used. And next time I'll try to compare with the OnePlus 11, which has got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and very soon I'm receiving the OnePlus 11R with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So stay tuned for those videos for the OnePlus 11R. In the future I'll definitely upload as soon as I receive the device. So right now let's do the CPU throttling test in this device using with these settings, and these are the initial temperature and the battery percentage. So right now, as you can see friends, after 7 minutes of time, these are the temperatures. So 37 degrees Celsius and battery drop to 88%, and overall the performance looks pretty stable in the Realme GT Neo 5, and I can be back after 10 and 12 minutes of time in the Realme GT Neo 5 device. So right now, as you can see friends, these are the final results in the Realme GT Neo 5 regarding the temperature increased to 41 degrees Celsius, and you can see how much the battery is dropped, and overall the CPU total up to 87%, which is pretty good, not bad. So anything above 85% is really very good in the mobile phones. And right now this is the CPU throttling test in the Realme GT Neo 5, and these are the settings I have used. So far 41 degrees is the highest temperatures the phone did increase. So thank you for watching this video friends, and next time I'll try to include the 30 minutes of test as well, CPU throttling test. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. Thank you for watching and bye.